In video number 2, we're going to be looking at the Killswitch and tether and the throttle limiter. So before riding, you're going to need to have your tether attached to the rider, so that in the event of a crash or falling off, the motor will stop with this kill switch. It's supposed to come disconnected here. So you need to have this. You can also kill the engine or stop the engine by holding this down without having to remove the tether. That's how you'll kill or stop the engine. And on the right side, we have what they call a throttle limiter. So there's a screw, a Phillips screw cross point. So you'll take your screwdriver and you can adjust this. This will go down to 2/3 of the speed. There's also a nut here. So if you wanted to limit the speed, you can tighten this down and limit the throttle and the speed of the motorcycle. You would turn the nut loose and then turn the screw down to reduce the overall speed.